Alright, so our topic for today is how did I apply as a skip the dishes driver here in Red Deer, Alberta. Coming up! First thing you need to do is to download the app in the App Store, and you need to find the skip the dishes, deliver and earn, and that's the one you needed for you to apply as a skip the dishes courier.
So we are now here on the App Store, and what you're going to find is the skip the dishes, deliver and earn. So you need to type that one, and this one, the first one on the right side corner, is the one we needed. Skip the dishes, deliver and earn. So because I already have that, what I'm going to do is just press that one, and on your side, what you need to do is you need to download that app. So since we already downloaded it, we need to open that app. When you're here already, what you're going to do is either sign in if you already have your account in the Skip the Dishes, or the other option is to create an account. So for this video, I'm going to create an account. You can sign up now using your first name, last name, email address, mobile phone, and also the city or provinces that you're in. You can now then select English and check the boxes to agree on the terms of service of Skip the Dishes, and then finally you can create your account. You can then create your account by entering your email address and making a strong password. Make sure to confirm the same password, and you can hit the continue. So there is some questions in here. How did you hear about us? You will just fill that out. So for example, you got it word of mouth. And then what address you will begin shifts at. You can type in your address, and that should be good. Okay, and then if you have referral code, so I have referral code in here that you can use. You can put it here. The next step you will do is to press the next. And you will see your delivery zone in here. Alright. So right now there is no current available on this area. So it means they doesn't need any courier or driver on this location. So what you can do is just wait for the email that they will send on your email, and they will ask you if you are still interested. And what you can do is just press, or you will just click the link that they will send on your email, and after that you can just fill out the form. You will just upload the documents that they needed, and then you're good to go.
So once you uploaded the documents needed and Skip the Dishes, the next step that you're going to do is to have a background check and to order the Skip the Dishes bag from Amazon, which is partnered by the Skip the Dishes, and that's gonna cost you around $70, including the background check in it. And in 2 to 3 days, they're going to process your background checks, and also you're going to receive the bag from Amazon, and after that you're good to go. to open it. So inside the bag, you will see this one. It's a thermo or thermal. There is the pad.